fuck Rey. Watching The Force Awakens, it's like Kenobi, Skywalker, I thought she was someone. I thought she was a previously trained Jedi where her mind was wiped. This is like Old Republic shit, but no. Disney had something else in mind. She's just a strong woman. Kylo Ren was conflicted and injured. Yeah, Kylo Ren was conflicted and injured, but look how he took care of Finn. He's fucking spinning that lightsaber around, fucking around with him. It's just like, it doesn't matter. He was still good to go. He just got owned. He got fucking owned by Rey. We'll probably never see it, but Mace Windu would fucking destroy Rey. Destroy Rey. He'd take that purple lightsaber and shove it up her ass and say, "This party's over, you bitch."